Hi, welcome to 109 South Bennett Avenue in Jackson. If you're looking to live in town and need a one level, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home features an open concept living space. This is fantastic. So you're going to enter in off the back deck, and look at this, it's super cute and it's also nice and new for you. You're going to be walking into the laundry room space for your washer and dryer with lots of cabinet and pantry area. Then you enter into the kitchen and just look at the kitchen size for this house, and appliances are included. So this home features 1,330 square feet, but as a huge living room. Just think of the entertainment you could do in here. You also get a bonus sunroom with this house, and it could be used for an office or a playroom or a great place to grow your plants in the winter months. So you're also getting a really nice sized backyard here. It's nice and flat, plenty of room. You can fence it in if you like, and you've got some beautiful shade trees that go along with it and space to add a garage if you'd like. To see this property today, call us at 740-577-3795.